Good morning. It's Monday again. As I was working on the detox that you're invited to join me on starting next week, uh, I was really impressed all over again with how sacred food and eating are. It's an amazing opportunity to be able to honor natural cycles and realize God put so many things in place for our health. And food is certainly one of them. This is the season of Lent. And, even further back, the Jews were getting ready for Passover. And they would spend the week before that cleaning, cleansing. Lent, it's a time of cleansing and focusing. So, food is a amazing gift to us to nourish and strengthen our bodies and to help us be where we need to be. We've had issues around our house. Spring, oftentimes, I see an overgrowth of candida yeast because so often, it starts to get warm and it's moist. And what more does that love? Plus, your system's a little out of balance. You've accumulated a lot of cold, dryness over winter, and now all of a sudden it's wet and warm and out of balance. So that's why you need to detox, get things cleaned out. This one I'm doing this year is fun. It's different, so that makes it fun. It's also fun. It's only as hard as you need it to be. So it's what you can do. But we're going to walk through the habits of Ayurveda, the 10 of them, and then some, in a month, but use them as tools for cleansing, which is a little different than how I've done it before. So if you've done it with me before, this will be different. We will be done or coming done, ready to charge back into life, and we walk through that process too, right around Easter and Passover. So that's going to be kind of fun. I'd planned that out a long time ago, and then it came back around, and that's how it's going to work out. Your body's a sacred temple. Very sacred. It's a gift that's given to you. If God didn't, He made it, right? And if He didn't want it to work right, He'd have given us something different. And it can work much better for a long time if we take care of it. And just like, we're going to do space cleaning, house cleaning, spring cleaning. Everyone used to do it, and now we kind of do it. So we're going to do some spring cleaning of our space, bodies, minds, your senses, because your senses are your window on the world, and they're really amazingly important. If you don't see right or hear things correctly, how are you going to respond correctly and respond in a way that is lifeful to people around you and yourself? And then we're going to talk about ease, because life should be easy. Even when things are difficult, you can have ease in your body, that point of calm and peace, and know how to get there and leverage it. So that's what we're going to be doing. Stay tuned for more information on how to sign up for that. But think about how you can do it yourself. Right now I'm standing out here enjoying the sunrise. And a bird. Right? Oh, he flew away as quick as he landed. But the sunrise, because it's amazing. And the rhythm of your day is important to your daily detox. It's a gift that was given to you so that every day you can do what's healthful. So, 'tis the season for spring cleaning. If you don't join me, figure out how to do it on your own, or message me and I can send you links. If you want to really do a really hard, focused, concentrated, deep dive, I can refer you to people, because there are people that do that, and they do it very, very well. And it's an amazing experience. So, spring cleaning. If you don't do it with me, do it with somebody, or do it on your own for sure. And that's part of having a healthy and abundant life. So have a great and abundant week.